welcome back. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Savannah. Welcome to my channel. Today I created this look for you guys. This is a fall inspired makeup look. I love fall. It is my favorite season of the year. So I wanted to come out with this look here. I did pop on some lashes actually for this video, which is new. I never do that. I don't ever wear falsies because I just hate the way they feel on my eyelashes, and I feel like I have really good lashes to begin with, but honestly, it's quarantine. Where the hell am I going to be wearing lashes to anyway? So might as well just use them for this video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now, and let's jump right into this look. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by priming my face. Usually I start off by doing my brows. My brows are still healing from my microblading that I had done, and I don't really feel like putting any extra product on it, or I don't know, just like fucking with it in any type of way. So I'm just going to kind of leave my brows. Now to prime my eyes, I usually just use concealer, but I found so many of these little eyeshadow base thingies in my drawer that I haven't used. So I'm just going to use this one. This one is from Smashbox. This is the 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. Oh, I might have put too much. Alright guys, for this entire look today, I'm going to be using this Morphe 39A palette. This is the Dare to Create palette. It has so many different shades. You can create so many different looks with this palette. I don't feel like I've used this in a previous video, which is why I'm using it now. So the first shade that we're going to dip into is going to be this like orangey shade right here. I'm picking that up on a big fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to place this all over the crease area, kind of just getting down a nice base color. Now in a little bit more precise of a brush, this one is from NYX. I'm going to take this dark brown shadow right here, and I'm going to pop that straight into the crease area, just going back and forth, really focusing it just on the crease. And then going back over it with the previous brush that we used for like that orangey shade, we're just going to sweep right over that brown just to kind of blend it all together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a Q-tip and some makeup remover and just clean up just a little bit of this lid, because I kind of want it to be really, really red. So I kind of want it to pop. So I'm just going to clean up, you know, just some shadow, not going too crazy. We're not like doing a cut crease or anything, but just clean it up a little. And now with the flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this really, really bright red right here. I went ahead and wet my brush as well, just so it's a little bit more vibrant. And I'm gonna just place that right on the lid. And then now I'm going to go back in with the brush that we used for that brown shade right in the crease and just kind of go over where the two shades meet just to blend it all together. I wanted the red to pop just a little bit more, so I went ahead and went in with the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Fireball, and I just took it from the inner corner and I kind of just like did it up until like the middle of my eyelid, like flinged it out until the middle of my eyelid. I didn't go all the way to the end. You can totally skip this step. You can maybe add some glitter on there too if you wanted, but this is what I did. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. This one is in the shade 5.0, which I think is a little light for me, but we're still going to use it. For concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This one is in the shade C7. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the CoverFX Translucent Powder, Perfect Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Translucent. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Face Powder. This one is in the shade Light Medium Golden. And people are always asking why you set the rest of your face with powder. because not a lot of people do that, and I don't know why, but I do it just because I feel like it makes my bronzer and blush and highlighter slide on better and like blend together better. But I mean, I don't know, if you don't want to set your face, don't set your face. To bronze today, I'm going to be using my Hoola by Benefit bronzer. I haven't used this girl in a minute, but we're going to use it today. For blush today, I'm going to try this Bare Minerals loose blush. This one is in the shade Golden Gate, I'm pretty sure. I don't really use loose powdered anything because they scare me, to be honest with you, but I'm going to try this one today. See how it works. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust off this powder here on my nose. And then go in with a bigger stippling brush and blend in the bronzer and blush together. I'm going to go ahead and set with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I used to use this just as a primer, but honestly, it's really good at setting your makeup too. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit palette, and I think I'm just gonna take White Sand probably, which is this color right here, and put that on all the high points of your face, so cheekbones, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin. I also like to take some and dab it right in my corner of the eye. What is that called? Tear duct area? That's it. Now for the lower lash line, I always use like the same exact shadows in the same exact order. So I'm going to first go in with that orangey shade and the same brush, the big fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to place that on the lower lash line. And then going in with the same brush we used for the brown, going into the same brown color and going just a little bit closer to that lash line, a little bit more precise. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some gel liner. This one is from e.l.f. and it's just the black gel liner. I'm going to just place that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the same brush we used for the red shade, wet it just a little bit more, pick up some of that red, and this is going to go closest to the lower lash line. I'm just using the tip of the brush. Don't know if I want to add a wing liner to this. No, we're not going to do a wing. I am, however, going to do some lashes, which I never do, but I feel like my brows are kind of lacking right now just because I can't do them because of the microblading. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop on some lashes and see if that does it for me. These are Crave Lashes. These lashes are in the shade Chocolate Souffle. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara on the bottom and top lashes. For liquid lip, I'm going to use the Anastasia Liquid Lip in Ashton. This is like an OG color that I love. Alrighty guys, and here it is. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. I hope to do a little bit more fall, Christmas, holiday looks for you. It's just been so busy with work and school. I have one more semester left in school, so it's kind of tough finding time to like actually sit down and film, but hopefully I have more videos for you guys coming. As always, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that will be in the bottom bar, so go ahead and check those out. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now to become part of the fam here on YouTube. I don't think I have anything else to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.